What's up guys, welcome to a new video. This may be a different intro than normal because I'm recording it after I already recorded the whole video because I lost all my files or all my clips of the first half of the video. So now I'm doing it like this because yeah, I lost my footage basically. Right, so this time I'm not gonna take the Focus RS out for a spin, but I'm actually gonna do a fan favorite on the channel, the OG Mk6 Gti. This is where it all started. This is where I made my first videos with. I think all my OG subscribers love this car as well. It's basically my favorite car, but yeah. I'm not gonna talk for too long, just gonna take this car out for a drive, or I already did, but yeah. Here's all the footage that I still got. Enjoy. Boys, I got bad news. I gotta film with my phone now because my GoPro died, as you guys can see over there. But you can clearly feel that this car likes the cold weather with all the boost. This really is boost weather. It's only kind of annoying that I have to steer everything with one hand and shift, but it's not a manual. Oh wait, I forgot to turn traction control off. Let's do that. Yes, great. Now that's off as well. Ah man, so much fun to drive this thing. You guys hear that sort of flute sound? For the people that don't know, that is boost leak. I still need to have a better blow-off valve. I probably go for the GFB DV Plus. I basically need this since I had the intake on there, and the intake is on there for 2 years now. But I've never installed a blow-off valve on this thing somehow. But I'm gonna get one soon, I guess, or I think. This car is full of problems, but yeah. The diverter valve is definitely one of them. I need to fix this boost leak. Crazy. Right, this is my favorite spot in the city or around the city. Look at this view, man. Oh, this is beautiful. I also think that this is a great time to explain something about everything that is broken about this car. Right, it is a little bit windy, so I don't know if that's hearable on the microphone of the camera. But look at this view, man. Oh my lord. Damn. You gotta take a screenshot right now to get the ultimate background for your phone, or I don't know, your computer or so. Damn, this looks crazy. Right, so the first major issue with this car is the slipping clutch. All of you guys that watch my older videos about this car know that I had some slipping clutch problems. I need to redo the whole gearbox, the Mechatronic, plus the clutch. But I'm not just wanna swap it for the stock clutch again. I actually wanna go for a better clutch that can handle way more power than it does right now. Cause yeah, it got around 400 Newton meters right now, and that's just too much for this for this stock clutch, so I need a better one. That is costing me around 2,500 to fix my transmission problems, my slip and clutch issue, because like I said, my mechatronic is done as well. Another problem that I have are my blown shocks in the back. It's actually on this side right here. This shock, or at least it's a little bit lower over here. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's not really, yeah, you can't really see it on camera or anything, but yeah, I got a blown shock that needs to be replaced by a better part as well. I want to go for a whole new aftermarket coilover set that is costing me around, I don't know, 1,500 euros or so. So that is also a lot of money. And the third big problem that I have are my brakes. My brakes are done. Yes, especially on the front brakes. I feel that on the front brakes the most. They are dangerous to drive, man. Extremely dangerous. They're so trash for the power that this car has. It's actually not so much power. It has 275 horsepower with 400 Newton meters, but that is way too much for these stock brakes. The stock brakes are already quite shit. And then I have some rusty old brakes that are basically done, man. I haven't driven a lot with those brakes, I must say. I think only 20,000 kilometers, because I had some I had my brake pads replaced one day. They're kind of done now, and like I said, they're extremely dangerous to drive. But new brakes are costing me around 1,600 to 2,000 euros or so. So also that is quite a lot of money. These are my three biggest problems that I have. Then I also have some smaller issue like my boost leak that I have. So with all costs combined, it's probably gonna cost me around 8,000 euro in total to fix this car. Then everything that needs to be replaced has been replaced by better parts, but I didn't got any more power or anything. So 8,000 euros is quite a lot of money. So I don't know if I need to sell the Focus and fully go crazy on this thing with a stage 3 build and go full carbon mods and all that stuff, or keep the Focus, keep this thing, but wait longer till yeah, I got more money to fully fix this thing. Because I gotta say, now a lot of my money is in something else than only just cars. I don't want to spend all my money into cars, and I actually want to buy a motorcycle as well. So I don't know, I might need to sell the Focus for that, because I'm keeping this car forever. This car ain't going nowhere. I'm keeping this car forever. Right, take one more look about this this nice view, because wow, man, wow. Yeah, I'm gonna go back because it's actually pretty cold. The brakes, man. Oh, the brakes are so dangerous. It makes it fun to drive though. But yeah, it's definitely interesting to to drive this thing. Don't cut me off, please. Thank you. This is actually my favorite road, and it kind of sucks that that my GoPro doesn't work anymore. Yes, a little bit of wheel spin. Nice. Oh, it feels so nice to drive this car again. I need to take this car out more. Almost killed some birds. Alright, here we go. Wait, need my other hand for this. Yes. Oh, the brakes. I gotta say though, in this colder weather, my clutch doesn't slip. It's maybe because I got a little bit of power loss, maybe because some parts are off now. Before I had the tune. Most of you guys probably know that I had a full straight pipe exhaust on this thing, but that is gone now. Now I actually got the stock exhaust on. But the stock exhaust actually gives me more turbo pressure, or yeah, with the straight pipe it was full pressureless, to say it like that. And now with the stock exhaust, it got a little bit more stuff to work with, all those filters and cats. And now I actually feel that I have more boost pressure, that the turbo works better, it spools better. But of course the straight pipe was way more fun than this. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Maybe I need to put a cat between the straight pipe that I have right now. But yeah, the straight pipe that I had sounded so nice, and even though it had some power loss, I was actually, yeah, I didn't really care about that, because that exhaust just sounded so nice with all these spooling noises of the turbo. And yeah, I actually want to put it back on when I got the car fixed a little bit. So that is definitely coming soon as well. I'm gonna put the straight pipe back on, but when, I can't make any promises, to be honest. And I'm back home again. Yes. By the way, damn, look at that. That car looks so nice from a distance as well. I never really see it from the outside like this, because yeah, I'm always the guy driving the car. But damn, it looks so nice. A Ford Focus RS, nice. Alright, let's park this thing up, but I gotta use both hands, so I can't film that. Right, car is back in its place. I'm back home, like I said. It is so nice to drive this thing sometimes, man. Even though it's kind of stock right now, it still has the tune and all that, and an intake as well that sounds like a weird ass flute. It's such a nostalgic feeling to drive this thing again, and to make videos as well. Even though my GoPro gave up. Yeah, this really is a piece of shit. This is the GoPro 9, by the way. I bought it 4 years ago or so, or it's actually my dad's, to be honest. Yeah, I kind of claimed this and stole this from my dad, but yeah, it's done, man. There's a crack in the lens, or at least in the glass of the lens. You can't really see it on camera, but there's a crack somewhere over there. It overheats as well. It's too cold sometimes for the battery. I don't know. This thing is a piece of trash right now. I'm kind of looking for a new camera, for a new action camera as well. Maybe the GoPro 12, or I saw DJI had some products, but just let me know if you have a GoPro or something else that maybe could work for me. I'm not gonna buy it from you because I want a new one, but yeah, still, let me know what I should do with this. I'll probably throw this away. But nah, man, back to the car. It's my favorite car, honestly. You can give me any car on the planet, a Bugatti, a Ferrari, you name it. It won't give the same feeling as this car does. You can also offer me €1 million or dollars to buy this car. I will say no, man. I will literally never sell this car. I absolutely love this car. Even though it makes some weird ass noises, it also makes some good noises. It's kind of a combination of good and weird ass noises, but Nah, the feeling that I get with this, for the people that don't know, this is my first car. This is my first car where I ever did mods to. This is the car where I really learned how to drive in, and yeah, like I said, it's never going away. But again, I'm yapping way too much about my love for the GTI. Well, I'm gonna end up the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry for the POV angles, cause yeah, my GoPro didn't work, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna do a better POV drive with this thing soon. But for now, I'm gonna end up the video right here. So if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and all that. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao. Yeah, this really is a piece of